What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker's channel. I'm Dave, of course. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, real quick, if this is your first time tuning in to your brother, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, estate sales, Goodwills, all that good stuff. Find stuff to sell on eBay and basically flip it. Basically, ain't that what we all do? Yeah. If you like stuff like that, subscribe. Alright? Now, this is the intro to what I'm actually going to show you guys today. I forgot to shoot an intro. I just got out there and did my thing, alright? In this video, you will see me going to a yard sale and also a BINS store. This BINS store over here in Louisville is actually called Give Me 5. And it's called Give Me 5 because on Saturday and Sundays, everything in the store is $5 for each item. Monday, $3, Tuesday, $2, Wednesday, $1, Thursday, $1, and then it goes all the way down to 25 cents on Friday. Then it re-ups again on Saturday, alright? Well, I went on the $5 day, which is Sunday, the day before Memorial Day, and there wasn't really nobody in there, but I only got to spend like 10 to 15 minutes in there because me and my wife was on our way somewhere. So I'm gonna show you some of those pickups, and also this is a very small yard sale, which I found a couple gems in. So yeah, just wanted to kind of tell y'all what was going on because I know it's gonna be all over the place, and how to, you know, give y'all a little disclaimer before you watch the video. All right, so without further ado, check out the video. All right. Hello, how y'all doing? Doing all right.
$64 pieces.
How much did you put on?
20.
Put $20 on that whole set.
Is that 20? Oh, okay.
64 pieces.
I get that.
No, I'm joking.
Pretty.
Just unwrap anything you want. There's a lot of glass bowls and plates and stuff.
Oh,
Glasses.
yeah, you got some nice glass.
Bruh.
That stuff's sold.
Bruh.
Punch bowl? Okay, yeah. That's pretty nice. That's beautiful.
That's the frame. There's 4 of those. And a set of Linux Christmas dishes.
Okay.
Tammy! I told you. Hi, Miss Tammy. Oh, what are you? That's what you were saying, and I thought some kind of ball.
Read it out here.
Offer on whatever the the prices. Sure.
All right. I don't know what I got here. Let's see. All right. Yeah.
$10 for all of it.
Six plates.
$10.
Oh, that'll work. That sounds good to me.
Sure, you don't want that set of dishes?
I kind of think she got so many sets. I kind of think she has them at home. If I come home with the same one, she's gonna be like, "What's he?"
Paper bag, maybe. I got plates. Or do you want a
You have a
box
10?
for the plates?
How much for this?
The bag would be
Let's see, what
fine.
did we say, $10? How much?
You said 8.
8.
Yeah,
and,
this
how
has
much
got a
that?
bad
That's it.
trigger.
How you doing? That's good. Alright, I'm back at home. Did okay at this one. This one was a fairly small yard sale. At first I thought it was an estate sale, but it was a slash yard sale. I guess you could go inside. They said they had some paintings in there. I didn't go in there and look at none of the paintings. I just stayed in the garage.
Yes,
So,
sir.
first, let's see. I just got these because my wife likes stuff like this. She's just decorating a lot now, and I picked them up. I forget what they called. I'm having a mind blank. I've been trying to think of it since I turned the camera on. Anyway, got some of these. My wife don't like them. If not, I might sell them. Who knows? Probably won't go for much, but they look pretty cool. Maybe around Christmas time she'll throw them on the table or something. Got this Olin Wallet Services hat. I just got this because it looked pretty cool and I knew it was an older hat.
couldn't find no hats on eBay, but I've seen a lot of the patches. The patches by themselves was going for like $15. So I might just throw a price on the hat, see if somebody grabs it. It's Olin Water Services hat. Not even familiar with that service or that water service, but looks pretty cool. Got some Christmas plates. They start at like 74 and go all the way up to 84. These don't do that good by themselves. I'm gonna list them all together. Maybe around Christmas time, somebody will scoop them on up. They look pretty cool though. They all got different. I'm trying to dibble or dabble in glass a little bit, so I picked those up. Got this phone, man. This phone, brand new. Still got the, you know, it's an open box, brand new. It was in the garage, so might need to be wiped down. Might have a little dust on it, but everything's there. That has a CD to come with it. It's a phone for hearing impaired people. So when they talking, the text to actually come on the screen. I've seen some comps. I forget I put some on the screen. I believe these was going for pretty good money. I mean, between 40 and look like some rats got in there. Bruh. Between 40 and 60, $70. So this is only $1. $1. And so I got that. Decon. Everybody knows about the Decon now. And this stuff right here, it's only 3 of them in there. It's a 4-pack, only 3 in. I've seen online where hell they sell them for like 20 plus shipping. So, you know, between 24 and 25 pellet. So I'm gonna go with $75 on this and see if it'll sell. I mean, it's not a lot on there. It seems like they're selling pretty good, and I know a lot of people I follow has a good does pretty good with these. All right, so sorry man, I'm all over the place, a little tired. Oh, what is that? And these patches, haven't looked these up, don't know what they're for. They just look pretty cool. When I see patches, I always pick them up. They always look good and look pretty cool. And some stickers as well. And maybe somebody who was a life member in this North American hunting club will pick these up. You understand? So yeah, so look, I think y'all seen when I was talking to that lady and she kept trying to get me to buy this china, and I didn't. I left. I actually went back and picked up this china for $20. It's a bunch in here, man. It's like, what'd she say, 40, 50, 60 pieces? Who knows? It's a bunch in here. It's $20. I know I can make my money back plus some. I've been trying to get into plates, glasses, and stuff like that. I'm not gonna pull them all out. I'll pull one out for you. Pretty cool. Sheffield. What's that? Sheffield. Porcelain fine china. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm gonna look a lot of it up. I mean, it's all kind of pieces. There's plates, there's a tea kettle in here, there's salsas, there's bowls, so we'll see how we do it. I'm gonna dig into this a little bit more a little later. And I also bought a record. I went back and got this record I was telling you about. I think it's in here. Let me check. I'm trying to be a little quiet. Got the guy next door. He's looking at me like I'm talking to myself. Went back and got this. Living Stereo Music Bang Ballroom Harp. The 45 on this goes for crazy money. I'm talking about 100 and something. So I left, and when I looked it up, actually I was watching some of my video and I seen it. I said, well, let me look that up. And it was still there when I went back, so I went on and picked it up. They actually threw this in for free because I bought the China set. So it's not the 45, so it doesn't go for as much. But I believe it goes with a little money. I got a bunch of records downstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and put this with it. And so yeah, that was my experience. Oh god, I guess my first yard sale. I went to an estate sale earlier today actually, but this is my first yard sale. I guess you can call it a yard sale. And it was okay, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it was small, got some stuff, I'm gonna make some money, but just got my feet wet, you understand what I'm saying? So with all that being said, I'm gonna get off of here. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, take your stuff in, list it on eBay. It's my new thing. As soon as I get it, I'm gonna list it, that way I don't make a death pile. All right, y'all be good, peace.